Hey guys! So Wednesday was a crazy loss day. But I learned some things from my mistakes that are vital for the health of my trading career. Let's get into the trades. I decided this was a day I was going to increase my contract size on the micro Nasdaq, so I would be risking more than I normally do. What a day to start. So my first trade was a long position, but I didn't anticipate that the Nasdaq would sell off at that moment. What I didn't realize at the time was how close I was to an economic news release. Mistake number 1. When news that greatly impact futures are being released, you want to avoid trading those times. Next, I had my stop loss set further away because I ended up changing my entry through market buying instead of the limit buy, which was closer to my SL. Mistake number 2. First things first. Have a proper stop loss in place. Anything can happen. When the Nasdaq sold off, I didn't get to move my stop loss to 20 points away, so I lost big. It took me longer to move my SL because I was trading multiple prop companies. I was trading Apex while attempting to pass an eval on trade day, hopefully more to come on that in the future. So I was doing too much, which is mistake number 3. Don't spread yourself too thin. Each trade needs your focus. Unless you can use a copier across prop companies or have a bracket order that automatically sets up your SL and TP, focus on one trade at a time while learning to be consistently profitable. Then you can begin to take more risks. Mistake number 4. After a big loss, consider taking a few minutes away from the trade to clear your head and calm down. After the Nasdaq hit my stop loss and I lost $560, I immediately entered again, still not realizing what Nasdaq was actually doing. And now I was trying to catch a falling knife. In my shakiness and confusion, I pressed market buy twice and ended up doubling my position size. Thankfully, I realized the mistake and immediately left the trade, but I took an additional $380 loss. So I was down $940 to start my trading day. This is the reality of how the market can be and why these rules are vital. My next trade was on Russell, the micro Russell. I saw a good opportunity for a short and pulled off 4 points and made $200. For my last trade, I went long on the micro Russell, but after struggling for a while, the future only partially filled at my TP. And when I saw it coming back down, I decided to come out at half my gains that I anticipated, and because I thought a reversal was coming. So I made about $140 on that trade. With the profits I made back, I cut down my losses from $940 to $600 for the day. I may have a loss, but I gained a lot of market tuition. See ya! It's not what we do occasionally that shapes our lives. It's what we do consistently. Anthony Robbins.